So we went over two things that are really good for, what articles to look out for, whether there's any regulations or legislations or anything political regarding a coin. The second is anything to do with the founders of the cryptocurrencies or founders of the coin or exchanges. And the third has to do with any partnerships with any big corporations and companies. And this is huge. Like, for example, there was a coin, I believe it was Neo, which is like the Chinese version of Ethereum, that ended up partnering up with Microsoft. And that's like the type of news articles that really catch my attention, because if a huge corporation starts partnering up with like a blockchain company or a cryptocurrency company, that really catches my attention, because that means there's something going on there. If there's especially a huge corporation like Microsoft, and that's just one example. Right now, we know that, Apple, Microsoft, Dell, Intel, Mitsubishi, like Toyota, all these Fortune 500 companies are currently all working on a cryptocurrency project. Now, we haven't heard about news for it yet. I'm predicting that they're going to partner up with certain cryptocurrencies, whether that may be Ethereum or whatever it may be, or they may be creating their own. But whatever that is, as soon as like a news like that certain comes out, that's something to keep an eye out on. Because what ends up happening is, since there's so much noise out there, that these important pieces of news gets like flooded out with so much noise. So that's why it's very important to take a look at this.